Today, we're talking about how to build a digital product that actually makes money. Not just pretty graphics on Canva, and not just another Notion template just sitting in the void, but real revenue and real buyers. You've probably seen all the, I made 10K from just a Notion planner. But how do you actually go from idea to income? Especially if you're just starting from scratch. This is the part that no one explains, and I'm going to break it all down. I sold over 50,000 worth of digital products using no ads, no big audience, and I've helped beginners do the same. This is the proven 5-step system for building a real digital product business that people actually buy from. Step 1, start with a clear offer. Before you even open Canva, you need to start with a clear offer. Don't ask, what product should I make? Ask, what problem am I solving? And who exactly am I helping? There's one psychological truth that separates broke creators from the profitable ones. People don't pay for products, they pay for outcomes. This one change will change how you market, create, and sell forever. If your product is a checklist, cool. But if it solves a problem, it saves time. If it makes someone feel powerful, that's when money starts showing up. Reality has to beat expectations. If someone buys your $29 guide and it feels like a $100 solution, they tell 3 friends and you win. For example, a 27 Canva budget planner is boring, but the Busy Mom budget builder, now that speaks to someone. You don't need to be clever, you just need to be clear. And clarity is what sells. Confusion kills conversions. Step 2 is to build your MVP, your minimum value product, fast. Most beginners overthink this. You do not need 20 pages and animations. You just need one simple thing that solves a problem. That could be a 3-page checklist, a 5-minute video tutorial, or a plug-and-play Canva template that saves someone time. Speed is the goal, but feedback is the fuel. So instead of spending weeks perfecting it, ship version 1 out and improve later. So step 3 is to build the sales engine. And this is where most people overcomplicate things. You don't need a fancy Shopify store or 8-step funnel. You just need 3 things. A landing page that clearly explains the offer, then a checkout link, whether it be Gumroad, Stan Store, ClickFunnels, whatever you want to use. And then you just need instant delivery to your customer's inbox, whether the digital product is being sent through email, etc. That's it. The platform doesn't matter, the messaging does. So keep it simple and just make it frictionless. Now, step 4 is traffic, but here's the good news. You don't need to go viral, you just need to be helpful. I made over 10,000 posting short videos and just answering questions from beginners. Tutorials, walkthroughs, product examples. That's what drives buyers. And here's a pro tip. If your video helps solve a pain point, you could drop a native CTA without it feeling like an ad. You could do something like, if you want my exact Canva product layout that helped me get started, I put together a free mini course. Link in the description. See how smooth that was? It's not a pitch, it's just being helpful. Step 5, and this is where the magic happens. Turn your buyers into super fans. How, you ask? Just over deliver. Just give them a surprise bonus. Send them a thank you message, add a free template that they wasn't expecting. That's how 27 buyers turn into $270 customers. Or refer 5 of their friends without you even asking. Retention is the underrated growth lever. The more you care post-purchase, the more your brand compounds. All right, so let's recap. If you want to build a digital product business that actually makes money, 1, start with a clear offer. 2, build your MVP fast. 3, set up a simple sales system. 4, drive organic traffic by helping people. 5, turn your buyers into super loyal fans. And this is the exact system I still use today. And it works even if you're starting with no audience. If you want me to break down the templates I use in my own products, drop a comment and I'll make a full breakdown in a video. Guys, if you got value from this video and you want to know how I made my first $1,000 using Canva, make sure you check out this video right here. It's going to be really helpful. I'm out though. Peace.